My name's David White. I'm the Managing Director of White's Bakery. We're based in Barnsley and we manufacture individually wrapped cakes for the food service market, so cookies, flapjack, muffins, that type of thing. We also do a more indulgent range for food service, and we also manufacture a range of bread products for sandwich manufacturers. I think like a lot of businesses post-COVID, there were winners and losers within that. We were probably one of the losers, supplying schools market. A lot of the schools were closed. So it was quite a challenging time for us. We lost 90% of our business. We were at that time introduced to Enterprise in Barnsley. They made us aware of certain initiatives that we were introduced to, and that helped us think about the vision for the business and what we need to be doing going forward. My two children, Matthew, who runs the operations, and my daughter Georgina, who looks after sales and marketing, we wanted to understand succession planning and what that meant and what that looked like. So we did leadership training for both Matthew and Georgina, which has been invaluable. Also through the Made Smarter programme, we had access to funding for a new piece of digital software that enabled all our paper-based food safety systems to become digitised. It prompts the operative to make sure that it is being done in a timely fashion, and then it's backed up by documentary evidence where we can photograph. So for example, if staff are doing startup checks or clean down checks, is the machine clean? Yes it is, prove it, there's the photograph, and that's logged and imprinted in that day's production. We've also had access to experts who can help us look at the layout of a new factory we're planning to build in the next few years to make sure that the way we've laid it out is working lean and it's encompassing all the new technologies and green technologies into that new site. I think the investments we've made around digital technology, specifically the food safety system, I think it's made staff understand that we're serious about food safety, and it has created more of a buzz around the place, and people are feeling more involved and more part of what we're doing here. I think the Made Smarter programme and the support we've received has given us a new focus for the business and a belief that we can get to where we want to go to. Post-COVID, it was all quite devastating. Since then, we're back to almost £3 million turnover. The next step, we want to double turnover this next few years on this site where we are now, and then beyond that, move to the new site and take it even further. So it's given us the belief and the impetus to take that next step.